A routine day in Palmer's Cross, Clarendon has ended in tragedy, leaving a family shattered and a community searching for answers. Sandy Williams has details.
A young boy with a fresh haircut, admiring himself into his phone, gone in a matter of moments. 16-year-old Orville McLeod is dead after drowning inside a National Water Commission storage tank in Palmer's Cross, Clarendon. According to residents, for years, young boys have been accessing the facility to swim, but this time it turned deadly. Reports are that Orville and a group of friends breached the tank's covering and entered the facility. While inside, he got into difficulty. Back in the community, a desperate call for help reached his father, Alpheus McLeod, triggering a frantic race to the scene.
I'm asleep. I'm so you going to say to me, say, his son stuck. I want to stand up a road. But I mean, mother never there. Mother there after. Just as me ready to ride out. My mother come up on taxi there. The mother start ball of and come there, so why you come content say? Yes, so stuck night tank up.
Orville's right arm was pulled into an outlet valve. The suction was too strong. He could not break free.
Once when he see him go down there and I try to pull him up. But to his such and the water we are dry him, he couldn't dry him, so I feel left him and come up. By the time water, the tank is about a three-quarter tank of water, a suction tank.
Firefighters from the Maypen fire station worked to recover the teenager's body from the tank. He was rushed to hospital, but it was too late. Police say there were no signs of violence and no foul play is suspected. According to the authorities, this fatal incident represents the first recorded loss of life at the site. They are now urging parents to speak with their children about the dangers of restricted sites, especially facilities like water tanks where unseen forces can turn deadly without warning. For one father, the warning comes with unbearable loss. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.